Hey everybody, my name is Brian Shu. I'm here from SNAGG, here to show you how the police are going to use the SNAGG tool and why police love it so much, how it makes their job a lot easier. You kind of got an idea of what SNAGG is and how it works. Let me show you a little bit more of how the police part works and how it really intertwines into the process of how SNAGG gets the items back to their owners. The SNAGG system is simple. Once customers actually buy the SNAGG chip and install it into their item, they go online, they register it at snagg.com, recording not only the SNAGG serial number, but also the manufacturer's serial number, model, and any other pertinent information. They can upload pictures to it to help anybody out there identify that item as the item in question and the item that is theirs. If their asset is ever lost or stolen, SNAGG really shines and really goes to work. First, the customer is expected and told that they need to report it with their local police department. They'll come down to the local police and file a standard theft report just like every other. The customer then records the officer's contact information, the case number, reports that back to us, and we then go to work reporting that out to all the necessary authorities. We report it first to Leads Online, which police are all very familiar with, that reports to the NCIC database and really allows pawn shops to capture and recognize those items without having the SNAGG serial number, without any extra information. Once that item is found by the pawn shop or by the second-hand dealer to be a SNAGG indicated item, the report will actually show that when the pawn shop searches for this item. When it shows that it's a SNAGG protected item, they say, well, we know we have a hot item, we need to let police know. They'll call the police department, the local police department. Local police department will come down and identify that, yep, it's in the report as a SNAGG item. They will then be able to scan that SNAGG serial number to prove the owner and to prove who the owner is according to that electronic serial number. Once the pawn shop informs you that you have a SNAGG protected stolen item, you'll get one of these two scanners, either from your local Humane Society or your local police department. That police department can use one of these two scanners. The Humane Society may have a different type of scanner that you can use, but I'm going to demonstrate how you actually take this scanner and identify the SNAGG items. Once you have an identified SNAGG item, such as this chainsaw, you will actually take the scanner, press the button. It will then show you that it is searching. Once it's searching, you will then hold that button down and you will scan your item. Take your SNAGG scanner, press the button and hold the button down. Scan every inch of your suspected item very slowly. The scan should take 30 seconds. Once you locate the item, the SNAGG scanner will beep indicating it has found a serial number. Record that serial number. It will be used later to identify the item at the website. In the event that you are not able to find your ID, simply have somebody else scan it or try rotating it and scanning from another angle. Studies have shown a different angle or another officer may have better luck. Once you have your 15-digit SNAGG ID, visit www.snagg.com and click on the search button in the middle of the screen. Once you enter your 15-digit SNAGG ID, the results page will show the investigating officer, the location, and other pertinent information to get that SNAGG protected item back to the customer. SNAGG is excited to help police make these connections between customers and their lost items. SNAGG is always excited to become involved in the community and welcomes your feedback and questions you may have, and also welcomes any suggestions you may have on bike rallies, neighborhood watch presentations, or any places where SNAGG may be able to help customers protect their items. Cops love it, thieves hate it. People are safer. SNAGG, protect your assets.